Hello student, welcome to today's session on the question of the day. Today is the 21st April and we are going to discuss another important question from the topic SQL function. So let's see the question first. So the question is on your screen. It is of the 2 marks and it has the internal choice also. So first question is given as a what will be the output of the following SQL command. Very easy question. Month name function, date time function is given. You need to predict the output of this command and you need to predict the output of this mod function. Mod function returns the remainder as you know. An internal choice is given that what is the purpose of the following SQL function. It is asking the purpose of this upper and power function. Very easily you can answer. So let's see the question and their answers one by one. So first I am discussing the main question. So what will be the output of this query? So month name function, you know, date time function, and it returns the name of the month in a particular date. So in this date the month is second month, and second month name is, first month is January, so second month is February. So it will return the name of the month. So name of the month, in that case what will be the month name on the second number? Which month falls? It is, you can easily say it is 02 means February month. So your output will be February. Okay, spelling you may check. So that way you can answer very easily. And second question is, what will be the output of this command? So mod function, you know, mod function returns the remainder. Whenever we divide 7 by 4, 4 1 ja 4, so the remainder is 3, so it will return this remainder simply. So its output will be 7 comma 4 will be 3, so its output is 3. Very easily you can predict the output. So I hope it is a very simplest question, you can get this answer very easily. So month name function simply returns the name of the month in a date, and mod function returns the remainder whenever we divide number 7 by number 4. So now see the internal choice of this question. So internal choice of this question is also very simple. You need to write now the purpose of this SQL function. So upper function, I am right, you know, upper function is basically used to convert the string into the uppercase. So this is a single row, this is a single row string function. You can write it like this. This is a single row string function which is used to convert the string or text into uppercase. Okay, so it will convert the any string if you pass, and it will convert into uppercase. For example, select upper, and then you will write, let's suppose mgs classes in small letter. So what will be output? So it will return you the output mgs and then classes, complete in the uppercase. So that way you can answer. And another one is the second portion, power function. Power function is it is a single row mathematical function which is used to calculate the a raised to power b, that is a raised to power b. For example, select power 2 comma 3, its output will be 2 to power 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8. So that way you can answer this question very easily. Power function is a mathematical function which basically calculates the a raised to power b, that is a raised to power b. You can write it like this, and power of 2 comma 3 will be 2 raised to power 3, that will be 2 multiplied by 3 times, and that's output will be 8. And in the uppercase you can very easily predict the output. Uppercase function is basically to convert the lowercase string or any string into the complete uppercase English letters. Okay, so I hope you got the answer. If you still didn't get the answer, you may watch my video on the string functions and the mathematical function for detail. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please press on the like button and share it to your classmates so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.